Hi everyone, what's up? Anthony here from SSW, and today I want to talk about how we combine SSW LinkAuditor, the Code Auditor, into a brand new product called SSW CodeAuditor. The CodeAuditor static code analysis tool was once a very popular product, and long time ago Scott Hensman once talked about it, but has rusted away. The LinkAuditor is still alive, is very simple to run. It allows URLs to be whitelisted. It shows the prior history. And for the paid version, user can schedule a scan and the result report is sent to their email. Now the problem with the LinkAuditor is that it costs us money to run. It has very little usage. It has outdated technology and it cannot be integrated to any build process because it is not a CLI tool. And it also has a lot of competitors. Now, here are some of the top competitors, and all of them also doesn't integrate with any build process. Now, the goals of the new product, the SSW CodeAuditor, is to improve the DevOps maturity. We don't want to deploy any website with the broken links, bad code, or bad performance. We want to run the scan on the client infrastructure to reduce the cost. We want to make it really simple to integrate with any build tools, and we also want to update the backlog when the build failed. And we also want to upload the stats for comparison. Now for the broken links, what other tools are available on the market? On the GitHub Actions, we have the broken link check. On the Visual Studio Marketplace, we have the website validator. Now the issue is that both of them doesn't have historic view and is very slow to run. For the code analysis, we have a lot of tools on the market at the moment. We have SonarQube, SonarCloud, which basically from the same company. We also have CodeClimate. The market on the static code analysis is very crowded with many large players. And the pricing structure is quite complicated as well. For the performance analysis, we have Lighthouse, which is very popular from Chrome, which is open source, and GTmetrix, which is free and also commercial. Now the proposed solution is to combine all three into one single Docker image that we're going to host on the Docker Hub. Because this one is the Docker image, it's very easy to integrate with the DevOps tools like Azure DevOps or GitHub Actions. We have a portal for the user to see the previous runs and compare stats. We also enable Zapier or Power Automate for integrations. The SSW CodeAuditor Docker image. So how do we use it? So the user simply runs this simple command and it will perform the broken link check. It runs the Lighthouse audit and it will also check for the HTML issue or the code issue, and will fail the build if any of that condition met. Now let's have a look at how we actually run the new CodeAuditor on one of our existing project, the SSW People project. So to run the new CodeAuditor, you only need to run this command from the Azure DevOps. And when the scan started, it will pull the image from Docker Hub and it will give you the Lighthouse audit result, the list of HTML issue on the page, the list of the broken links, and it will fail the build, in this case because of the performance doesn't met. And then there's also a link that user can click on. Now when user click on that link, they will take into the new CodeAuditor portal. Now on this page, you can see then we have a broken link, but user can also click on this button and then add that link to the ignored URL so that it doesn't fail the build in the future. Now when user click on the HTML tab, they will see the list of the HTML issue found on the page. Now if they click on the name of the issue, they'll be taken to the rules descriptions and telling them exactly what happened. They can also click on the location and know exactly where it is on the page, on the source. It also has the Lighthouse audit report embedded directly inside the CodeAuditor portal. Now on this page, if they click on the set performance threshold, they can configure for the future build. If the performance is less than say 80%, it will fail the build as well. For the Zapier or the Power Automate, they can configure to automatically add a PPI into the backlog whenever the build failed. And it looks something like this. The Code Auditor portal gives the user access to see the previous run. So as you can see that the last few runs from the people project has been passing, even though we have some error on HTML because we configure it not to fail whenever there's an issue on the HTML code. So in summary, the Code Auditor is a very simple website where user can go and sign up, and they can see the list of broken links, and the free version they can get up to the last 100 scan result. They can see the HTML and also the code issue. They can see the Lighthouse audit directly inside the Code Auditor. They don't need to get out of the applications. They can configure the ignored URLs, and they can configure the Lighthouse audit threshold on when to fail the build. So what is currently inside this Docker image? We have the broken link check, we have the Chrome Lighthouse, the HTML hint, and the new Code Auditor. In the future, we can also bundle more CLI tools in this image. So for example, we can also include the Roselint, Sonicube, or ESLint. We can also include the SpanOps from William, and Clean Architecture and Clean Testing from Jason. So thanks for watching, and as of today, you can go to these URLs and check out the brand new SSW Code Auditor. And please leave a comment on this video of what you think of the new tools. Thank you.